it's time to finally get rid of these ugly stock mirrors on my Aprilia Tuono and put on some proper adjustable CRG style bar end mirrors.
Let's go for a ride. You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today.
Continually video suggestions, but you may find what you're looking for by visiting my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Videos. And those are a bunch of playlists with all of my videos categorized in them to make it easier for you to navigate through. First off, these are not CRG mirrors, but rather CRG style mirrors, El Cheapos. As you guys know, I'm willing to try the cheap stuff out first because you save so much money, man. These bar end mirrors only cost less than 20 bucks, I think like 15 bucks. I'll include a link in the description and comment section of this video to where you can get these, and you can put these on any motorcycle. First step is to go ahead and remove the OEM mirrors. On this particular bike, you just pull up the rubber boot there, and then just take a wrench to it, loosen this, and then unloosen the mirrors. Look at that, very easy to do. Comes right up. Next, we remove the bar end weight, which is really easy. There you go, comes out really easy. Okay, what I'm gonna do to make this installation really easy and also it will avoid any vibration in the bars is to install a bar end weight that has a slot there that allows you to attach a CRG bar end mirror. You can Google these because you'll need one specific for your bike. This is specific for the Aprilia. Okay, I want to see if there's a difference in weight between the stock bar end weight and this aftermarket bar end weight. 5.8 ounces versus 4.2 ounces. However, I am adding the bar end mirror onto this, so that adds some extra weight as well. So it should be fine. Now you got to remove this center piece here. There you go. And now I'm going to put some blue thread lock on the screws so that way I don't have to worry about those screws loosening it up. Now just go ahead and assemble the bracket and mirror on the end of the bar end weight. God damn it! Look at that, guys. I dropped this. Not even a scratch on there, man. These are pretty good, man. If you want to fold them in, they do fold in too. See? Check it out. That's clean. That looks good. I can't believe I dropped this mirror and it didn't even get a single scratch. These cheap mirrors are tough, man. $15.99 make my bar ends feel real fine. Check that out. And you can adjust it, like I said. Check it out. Bam. Bam. You can make adjustments. Bam. Bam. And when you want to fold them in, bam! Look at that. Woo! Wow, man, just as good as CRG, baby. Well, we'll see. I'll do a long-term review on them, guys. I'll let you know. I'll take this out on the road and I'll do a review on it and keep you updated and let you know how good they are, as I do with all my stuff. All right, sitting on the bike, I fully adjusted the bar and mirrors. They adjust absolutely perfect. And once I tighten the bolts up, they're nice and stiff, so I don't have to worry about this loosening up out there on the road. And like I said, I did put Loctite on those bolts, so I don't have to worry about those bolts loosening up. Look at it, nice and clear. Look, you can see the CDI 1000 double I. And this side, WR 250 Fucking R. Yeah, and for those of you lane splitters out in California, bop, bop. Better than spending over $100 on CRG mirrors, I'll tell you that, guys. But we'll see how long it lasts. Like I said, with my channel, I do updates. I do long-term reviews on all my stuff. Gear, mods, everything. Trailer, everything. My bug-out moto van. I do it all, baby. My channel covers it all. All the different kinds of motorcycles. All the different kinds of gear and mods. Stick with my channel. Smash that subscribe button, guys. Wait, stay tuned. I'm going to be doing an install of the fender eliminator kit from motodynamic.com. Stay tuned for that video. I'll show you how to install it, and I'll do a full review on that. Like I said, links to get these mirrors, my fold-up trailer, my gear, you know, my camo pants, my leather jackets, helmets, boots, cameras, all my stuff. I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos, or go to my website, CycleCruza.com, and click on the menu tab, My Gear, and that's all my stuff. Thumbs up, check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.